Looking for a new fun puzzle game to play? Let me show you how to install Block Blast from the Play Store in just a few taps. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Block Blast. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Play Store app on your phone. At the top of the Play Store, tap on the search bar. Type Block Blast and hit the search button on your keyboard. From the search results, you'll find the Block Blast game. It should be one of the top options with the colorful puzzle icon. Tap on it to open the game's details page. Once you're on the game's page, tap the install button. The download will start and the game will be installed automatically. Give it a few moments to download and install. Once it's done, you'll see the option to play the game. And there you go, you've successfully installed Block Blast on your device. Go ahead and enjoy the puzzle fun. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.